This is my Kenmore Range. I fixed the error code on it and it's working fine. Stick around, watch the video, and I'll show you how to fix the code that I ran into. This is my Kenmore Range. It threw an error code. I got inside of it, messed around a little bit, put it back together. It started working, worked for about a week or so. Then it threw another error code, and now I'm going to see what I can do to fix it. Now, as you can see here, my Kenmore Range is throwing an F3 code. Now go ahead and do yourself a favor. Instead of leaving the door on there, just pull it out like so and pull it straight up. And the door should come right off. Now, I got the oven light on in the range, and I'm going to go in here and take these two screws out. They are Phillips screws. There we go. Now there's a little bit better light in there. Now the screws are out. You just grab this and you just pull it through. And you should have a little clip right here. And all you got to do is make sure you get through far enough and you don't lose it and have it go back in there. Now just take it and unclip it. Here's the latch. Turn sideways here. Now all you got to do is push this little piece in to release it. When I test my heating element, this is what it does. It's supposed to be 1080 plus or minus 200. But it can't give me a definite reading. It just bounces all around, as you can see here. So this element's bad, or this temperature sensor is bad. Well, this heating element here is given probably close to 30 years of good service. Now it's time for it to be replaced. Go to the internet, pull up Sears Parts Direct, put your model number in there, hit search. You will get this information here. This is what I have right here. I'll click on that. This is what I got. Scroll down. You'll get choices. I want error codes. Go to there, and now you got Frigidaire, GE, Kenmore, which is what I have, KitchenAid, and a couple other ones. But you just click on any of three of these and they'll bring up the error codes, like self-cleaning wall oven right here, F1, F3, F9. Okay, then you just go back. You just click another one, like this one right here. Depending on what you have, then you'll have these error codes. A whole bunch of them. Then scroll up here, then you'll click back. And then this one here is the manual wall cleaning oven. Then you only have an F3 and an F1. And this is what mine is right here. So mine's an F3, oven temperature sensor failure. So my sensor or temperature sensor is on the way. So the part came in. Let's see what's in the bag. Here it is. I'm going to go ahead and do an ohms check on this before I put it in the range. This is the temperature sensor, and this temperature sensor connector will not work, so that's why they send out these adapters. There's our ohm reading on the new one. As you can see here, this one's not going to work. As you can see, this one here is not going to work. This is the old sensor, and this is the type of connection that I need. So what I'm going to do is cut this off. I'm going to cut this off, and I'm going to solder it onto here to make this one work. Because as long as these are within 200 ohms, they're good. This is the old one. I'll cut it right here, and I'll continue to use this plug right here after I solder it together on the new one. Okay, I got the wires soldered together pretty good. Now all I got to do is wrap them and plug it up and see how it works. Clip the new one in, bolt the new one back up. Definitely got to have a flashlight for this job because it's dark inside the oven. But there it is, like I said earlier. Just plug it in, push all the wire back inside the oven there and put the 2 screws in it so it's nice and secure. Then go ahead and put the door back on. I'll show you how to do that. You get it all back together. You can actually take the door, put it back up on there, and you can feel for your latches. And once you get the right side, feel for the left side. You can focus on the left side, and now they're both in there. Just slide it on there, shut it. And just pull it up off there. Those will go back in place. Now once you get the right side hooked into the hole, you can focus on the left side, and now they're both in there. Just pull out a little bit, slide it down, and the door is shut. Hope all this helps. Like, comment, subscribe, share with friends. Thanks for watching.